construction in all their performances. And of course you need to have the Norveses to be able to add a level and make the Torre level as they attempted earlier today, but it fell apart. And here we have it round, Karagat. And I think it seems very stable on all the levels. So let's hope that within a couple of weeks, October 3rd for the Concours de Café, they will able to add this other level and make a Torre. These are the Nils Alvendrei.